Joomla is maintained and used by people from all over the world. A large community of volunteers writes documentation, codes extensions, and tests the core code. In this video, I will show you some of the websites you can use to find more information about Joomla, download extensions, and talk with other Joomla users. This is the main Joomla.org website. You can access news, a documentation wiki, the forum, an extensions directory, the shop, and the developer network. Let's go to the extensions directory. Currently, there are over 3,000 extensions being offered by the community. Scroll down. All of the different types of extensions are listed here. Back at the top of the page, there are two boxes. The box on the left shows new extensions that have just been added to the directory. The box on the right displays the most popular extensions that have gotten the highest ratings. Let's click on Joomla Comment. Every extension in the Joomla Extensions directory lists the extension's name, the rating, the version compatibility, and the license, among other details. Let's scroll down. In addition to the extension details, there are comments left by users who have actually installed the extension, tested it, and have their feedback. You can read their comments along with their ratings to get a good idea of whether or not a certain extension will be a good fit for your website. If you use an extension and enjoy it, be sure to come back to the extensions directory and give it a rating. Let's go back to the top of the page. Now let's go to the forum. The Joomla forum is the heart of the Joomla community. This is where Joomla users go to connect with each other and offer feedback and just bounce ideas off each other. The top forum is the Joomla announcements board. This is where the Joomla core team posts announcements about new versions of Joomla, bug fixes, and other important information. Be sure to check here often. Next, we have the Joomla support forums. You can ask questions about the functionality of Joomla here. Next, we have other forums. Other forums cover several different topics like tips and tricks, Joomla coding, Joomla events, and other things that you may be interested in. At the bottom of the screen is the International Forum. If you want Joomla information in a language other than English, this is where you go. At the top of the screen is the search box. Be sure to perform a search for your question before asking the community. If you do a search first, you're more likely to find an answer rather than posting and waiting for someone to respond. The Joomla community is ready for you. The extensions directory guides you to the best additions for your project. The forum is filled with people who love using Joomla and want to help you build a fantastic website.